guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Naruto manga collection. This time guys, it is the volume 61. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Codes of Engineer. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so here we have our new Naruto manga, the volume 61 out of the plastic, and now it's time for an up-close look at it. Here's the binding, the back. Let me just get the jacket off. Alright, so here we have the first inside cover. And the other one there. Put that to the side. Then we have the main cover here. Let's open this up. Cool. We have the nine-tailed fox there, Naruto. This is a really cool poster. You guys tell me what do you guys think about it. Tell me down in the comments below. Let's fold this in. Got a Vito there. Then here we have some of the characters, or the characters that you'll see in this issue. That's Max. He's a bit grumpy because I'm filming in a moment where I guess he wants to sleep. Anyway. Oh, for those of you who don't know, Max is our dog. But well, let's continue on. So here's the index with all of the different chapters. The first page. It's so cool to be finally getting like just more and more manga of Naruto. I can't wait to have it complete and read it with you guys because, as you know, we are going to be doing reviews of the manga as well. So make sure to stay tuned for that. For those of you who have seen my previous Naruto unboxing videos, you know that Naruto is one of those mangas that I read a lot as a teenager. So I'm pretty excited to have the chance to get to read it again. you guys tell me down in the comments below who is your favorite character in Naruto. I have a few that are my favorite, but I don't know, Gaara is up there along with Obito. And Guy as well. But you guys tell me who are your favorites. Tell me down in the comments below. Let's click this. Here's the last page with the credits. And then this time we don't have ads for other manga. This time we just have the how to read manga section like always. And well guys, that's the end of that. You tell me, what do you guys think of our new Naruto manga? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, all of that linked down in the description below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Codes of Parchinaire. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.